As long as we have this material body, we have to suffer, because material body is meant for our suffering. The Krishna's devotee, they also face the problem, and the materialist people who are busy in eating, sleeping, mating and defending, they also suffer. They also feel pain, depression, stress, tension and other problems in their life. But because devotees are totally surrendered unto the lotus feet of Lord Krishna, so Lord Krishna never allow his devotee to cry. Lord Krishna, make Lord Krishna center of our life. Keep the Krishna in the center of our life and chant the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. This Hare Krishna Mahamantra is permanent medicine for the soul. And when the soul is happy, everything automatically will disappear. All the problems in our life will disappear, because the nature of soul is divine, and soul can be only become happy when we connect with Supreme Personality of Godhead. When we constantly think something about in our life or problem in our life, it becomes stress and depression. And as long as we have this material body, we have to suffer and go through threefold miseries of the life. Miseries caused by mind and body, miseries caused by other living entities, jealousy, murder or harassment by other living entities, and miseries caused by natural disaster, earthquake, volcanoes, rainfall, thunderstorm, lightning. These are miseries every human being suffer from nature. So bhakti, we should engage in devotional service to overcome all this depression and stress in our life. Bhakti is like suspension in motorbike or car. When we travel through the pothole roads, then cycle, when we ride on cycle and travel through potholes road, it will cause jerk to the rider. But when we travel through BMW car, luxurious car, costly car, expensive car, and travel through the same pothole road, then we will feel very less or nothing, very less jerk or no jerk. Why? Because the suspension in BMW is very high quality. In the same way, bhakti is like suspension in devotee's life, in everyone's life who engage in devotional service of Lord Krishna. And we will not feel any distress, stress, problem in our life when we totally surrender to Lord Krishna and engage in devotional service. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.